Rajendra Nagar coaching center mishap that we're talking about. 3 students are drowned in flooding amid demand to fix accountability. Delhi civic body has now gotten into action mode. MCD House session to be held tomorrow, and the likely agenda is going to be identifying illegal structures. Mayor, of course, has now also formed a high-level committee as well. So this is the action as far as the tragedy, the Rajendra Nagar coaching center mishap is concerned, where 3 students were drowned. And we've seen how the students have been protesting, demanding accountability, and now MCD, which of course is the Delhi civic body, is getting into action mode. Kritika Tiwari gets us more details on this, joins us live on the broadcast. Kritika, this is of course now MCD that is getting into action mode. We have seen as well how the students also are questioning how illegal centers have been set up in basements across the national capital, especially under MCD's jurisdiction. And now the Delhi civic body is all set to take an action against these.
Yes, Ashish, well, this is one of the top demands that the aspirants who have been protesting here since today and who have been present at the spot since last night have been demanding. When you go to anybody and you talk to them, the first thing that they say is how the MCD must be brought, they must be held accountable, because as soon as they start talking about the basement, they also point to the next right, next to Rao's IAS study circle, where the fateful incident of the 3 students who drowned last night took place. The institute just next to that is also under the process of constructing another basement. So the students have since morning been trying to highlight how this is not just the issue of one coaching center, how this is a systematic issue, and the MCD needs to wake up. What we're hearing now is that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi will be holding a house session tomorrow, and the top item on the agenda is to identify illegal structures, is to identify places like these that can prove to be a safety hazard. Here, the students feel that this is one of the major concerns that they have, that safety has now become something that is being taken for granted. This especially comes just a few days after another aspirant lost their life due to electrocution. The memory of that was still very fresh, and now they've lost their own colleagues in the coaching centers right beside from where they were studying. So they say that it has been a close shave for them. It could have happened to anybody, and they do not want to be in an environment where such things continue. They demand accountability from the coaching institutes, from the owners, from the management, from top till bottom, and as well as the MCD and the government.
Right, Kritika, you can also, of course, speak to the students who are protesting there. If you can just tell them about what the MCD is now planning to do with their new session beginning, the plan to, of course, take on these illegal structures. You can just ask them what they think about this move by the MCD. Are they happy with it?
Yes, we'll be speaking to them. So another thing that we need to keep in mind is some of the students, major portion of them, however, in fact, have just left on a march towards the MCD. They demanded to meet the MCD commissioner in order to raise these very demands. We'll try and speak to a few aspirants here. Sir, कल Municipal Corporation of Delhi meeting करना चाह रही है. इसी का ही उनका top agenda है कि वो बाकी जैसे illegal structures है, ऐसे basements इनको identify करें और strict action लें. आपको लग रहा है कि ये enough है, ये step सही जगह जा रहा है?
पहले रूट कॉज तो ये लोग सही करें कि पानी कैसे भर रहा है. सबसे पहले तो इनको ये देखना चाहिए ना कि पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है. इन लोगों को पहले ये देखना चाहिए, बाकी करते रहें जो करना है. तो ये बोलना चाहेंगे.
और आपकी क्या क्या डिमांड्स है MCD से, गवर्नमेंट से, क्यों कैसे हम
जो अंडरग्राउंड लाइब्रेरीज बंद कराएं, ये सबसे पहली डिमांड यही रहेगी.
ठीक है. आप जब आप अंडरग्राउंड
ड्रेनेज पहले सही कराएं ना. ड्रेनेज कल हम लोग आधा घंटा अगर बारिश हो जाती है, दिल्ली में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती नहीं है, लेकिन आधा घंटा में बारिश बढ़ जाए तो पूरा घुटने तक पानी आ जाता है. कल ही देख लिए हम लोग.
So, the aspirants have also pointed out how time and again, whenever, even if it rains for say 15 minutes, the roads get filled with water, and it's not like the MCD does not know about it. So why does it take so much time for them to act on it? There is a lot of rage. They want to see some action happen on ground. Just paperwork, just announcements are not going to appease these aspirants so far. Right now, a lot of them have gone on the march. They're marching towards Pusa Road in order to try and meet the Municipal Corporation of Delhi's commissioner, and we get to hear back from them.